Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss the concept of accounting. Just this is an introduction topic. Generally, when we see the terms of accounting, we happen to see three kinds. First one is financial accounting, second one is cost and management accounting, and third one is financial management. Is there any difference between these three? In this topic, don't use high technical terms or the subject terminology. Let's discuss in a general way. What is financial accounting? Generally, we hear so many times the basic definition is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and recording in a chronological order. We happen to see this basic definition, but in this video, let us see the difference between these three types: financial accounting, financial management, cost and management accounting. Accounting comes into picture everywhere whenever there is an element of finance. Even in our house, we maintain some account. Our mother maintains some account. What is the income? What is the expenditure? Right? In the similar way, the business entities needs to maintain financial accounts. And is there anybody regulating this financial accounting? Yes, in India it is ICAI, Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. It gives some standards of accounting, it gives some principles, it gives some rules that every business entity should follow. Financial accounting, for the job there is an accountant. What he do? He will record the financial transactions and prepare reports. Okay, his job is over, recording financial transactions and preparing financial reports. What are the financial reports? Manufacturing account, trading account, P&L account, and balance sheet. These reports are prepared for internal use and for external use to submit to government authorities, tax authorities, and to banks from whom we took a loan, and other lenders, and to shareholders, because they are investing in our company and they want to know what we are doing. For this purpose, financial accounting concept arises. Okay, next, financial management. What is this financial management? In addition to financial accounting, we are getting headache with this financial accounting alone. And what is this second, financial management? See, this financial accounting deals only with the procedures, how to record the transactions, how to do valuations, how to prepare different kinds of reports. In financial management, here the person who is performing the task of financial management is known as financial management. There he is financial accountant. Here finance manager. Means for a business to continue its operations, its daily operations, it requires some finance, some cash for investments, for daily cash requirements, for monthly, weekly cash requirements. We need some cash. So there must be some planning. How much sales we are doing every month, how much cash we are getting in, how much cash we need to pay to the creditors, and selecting one among different opportunities. And this is dealt by capital budgeting topic and ratio analysis. How much return we are generating, right? And how much risk we are taking. And all these are decisions, financial decisions are taken by finance manager. This finance manager uses the financial reports prepared by the accountant. He uses weekly reports, quarterly reports. We generally see quarterly statements also. So there is a difference between financial accounting and there is a difference between financial management. Financial accounting purely deals with just recording and preparing reports. financial management uses the reports prepared by the financial accountant, and he uses some techniques like capital budgeting techniques like NPV, IRR, and other ratio analysis for financial planning. How to plan? Is there shortage of cash? How to bring in cash? Is there excess liquidity? Is there excess cash? This excess cash needs to be deployed somewhere to get much benefit. Next one is cost accounting. Here also cost management and accounting. What is this? Cost management and accounting, the term itself clarifies it is management of cost. Means in managing cost we need some techniques. By using techniques we manage cost. What are the elements of a cost? Generally it is direct material, direct labor, and overheads, all other expenses. Simply, is there any government authority regulating this cost accounting and management? Yes, it is ICWAI. Now it is ICMAI. It issues CAS, cost accounting standards. Some bigger firms needs to maintain cost accounting records utilizing these procedures which are laid in cost accounting standards. See, but for financial planning, is there any authority? Is there any governing body? No, for financial planning there is no authority or no governing body which directs you should plan in your company and your financial efforts in this way. Why? For example, for a student, for his question paper there is a government authority. For evaluation of his paper there is an authority, but for his preparation is there any authority asking him to read only in the morning, to read only in the evening? Is there any authority? No. In the similar manner, there is no authority for financial management, because each and every company is different and it's unique. So where is the government authority? And there is a government body for financial accounting and cost and management accounting. Okay, see why these two areas are having authorities. Sales minus cost equal to profit or loss. Let's move into some broader terms. Revenue minus cost equal to profit or loss. This profit or loss is much more important to government than any others. Why? Because there is an implication of tax. It wants its share from its profit. So first one is revenue, next one is cost. For revenue there is a discipline imposed, and for cost there is a discipline imposed. From first one it comes from financial accounting, and from second one it comes from cost management and accounting. For first one, the ICAI issued standards. As businesses are growing globally, it issued internationally accepted standards of accounting. And for second one, ICMAI issued cost accounting standards and put some regulations here, and that put some regulations there. When these two are perfectly regulated, the net result we will get the perfect figure. And again, concept of auditing also comes into picture. For revenue, for bigger businesses there is a revenue audit, and it will check whether there is any revenue leakage. Means the revenue should be the true figure and the cost should be the true figure. Then we will get the net result, profit or loss, the true figure. Government gets its share of tax from the profit. So this is how we covered the basic, just the introduction of accounting. And once again, accounting arises whenever there is a finance, and there should be some monitoring authority when comes to revenue point, and there should be some monitoring authority when comes to cost point. Revenue, there is authority. Cost, there is authority. These two things are properly maintained. Cost and revenue minus cost equal to profit or loss. When these two are properly maintained, the net result is a true picture, true profit, and government takes its share. And for this purpose, government has laid so many standards and rules and regulations from its two wings, ICAI and ICMAI, right? So financial accounting is different, financial management is different, cost accounting and management is different, and from these three, financial management is not having any authority, or it's not having any specific standards, because financial planning changes from one company to another company, and it depends on the situation, and it depends on the risk and return profile. So there are no particular standards. Okay viewers, if you enjoy my video, please like my video, please share it, and don't forget to subscribe. Press the bell icon.